Let's now go over to accounts and privacy. Are you going to enable guests to check out? A lot of shops will enable this and then an account is set up for them afterwards. Can they log in during checkout? I would enable that. Can they create an account during checkout? Again, that's perfectly okay. Can they create an account on my account page? I'm not always keen on this because people could come on, create accounts, but they never purchase anything. And there may be bots or people pretending to be customers and they just start creating multiple accounts. I would definitely enable remove personal data from orders on request, remove access to downloads as well, and allow personal data to be removed in bulk. Someone has left your website or they never completed an order. How long are you going to keep those details stored in your backend? Again, it's something that a lot of people do overlook. Please do go and set these up with whatever numbers you feel most comfortable with and then hit save changes.